Welcome to this episode of Accounting for Small Business with business accountant Georgie Klein.
In the last couple episodes, we've talked about a lot of information. We've gone over ordinary necessary and knowing your business and knowing what is ordinary necessary about your industry and being knowledgeable. Also about record keeping. Record keeping is key, so you must at least write it down in some kind of book or in a computer spreadsheet or QuickBooks, and make sure you keep track of everything you're doing. Then we went on to banking, and it's very important about banking. One, you have a personal banking account and a business banking account. It's key in order to keep track of the both entities, because you need to know how much is business and how much is personal, and you want to try not to intermingle it. And I know that's very difficult for most people. And we also learned about online banking pitfalls. And then pitfalls, of course, can be very dramatic, especially if you close out a checking account, close a charge card, it immediately goes offline. And then at the same time, how much information can you really get from that online banking? So beware. Your income. Your income is the key to all your business needs. It tells you how much money you're actually generating. You need to know who your clients are, where the money's coming from. It's direct, cash, bartering, or trade. So please keep track of your income very diligently in the next year. Your income reports are also very key. That'll give you the trends. If you have return clients, what kind of trends do you have? If you're a landscaping company, when is the season changing? When is the season changing at the end of the season? Because you have your ups and downs. If it's real estate, then you're very connected to the economy. Last time we talked about cost of goods sold and direct expenses. These are the expenses that are directly connected to your business and will go along with the ups and downs of your business. In the coming weeks, we're going to go to indirect expenses, and them are the keys business that are really the essentials of your business, your office supplies, your computer supplies, and we're going to start delving into them. We're also, after we do office supplies, we're going to really start off with the nuts and bolts. And to begin with, do you need employees or do you need contract services? And we're going to discuss the difference in that. If you have employees, what is the cost of doing a payroll services? And the key points and some of the selling points and some of the questions to ask that person you're going to do your taxes for you and your payroll. And then we're going to go a little bit into travel, auto, entertainment, and meals and learn about them key things. These four parts are probably one of the most important pieces that people don't keep track of well. So we're going to go kind of in depth on that. As we go through this part, there's a complete list of indirect expenses that we're going to go through, and that way when you go, you have everything ready for 2012. As always, you should always educate yourself. There's all kinds of books out there to teach you about running your business, so you should check into that. If not, email me and I can help you with that. And the IRS have tons of publications that you can read that are actually very free and very enlightening and easy to read. You can always email me through my website, www.bizbygeorgie.com, and also find me on Facebook and LinkedIn. As always, thank you for listening.
Thank you for watching this episode of Accounting for Small Business with Georgie Klein. For more great information, visit her website at bizbygeorgie.com. Also browse the other shows found right here at Columbus Biz TV Shows.